Okay, I decided to make a video which I promised you I would make in the last video, which you need to watch that if you're interested in learning how to rip CDG tracks from a CDG to your computer. Um, this video is about how to correctly organize your music library. I am a DJ professionally. I run a DJ show at bars and clubs. Been doing it for years, and I want to show you how I keep everything organized. The software that I run it on a really fast laptop. It's a quad core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, and then I keep all of my files, my music files and my karaoke files on a 2 terabyte external hard drive because I can use that, you know, from club to club to club. Okay, so I don't have to carry around a whole bunch of equipment to go do a single task. So this is an unorganized music folder. This folder is my miscellaneous playlist folder, which I've already created a master playlist so that I can actually go ahead and categorize each of these artists into separate folders depending on the genre and the name of the artist. So let's go here. This is how I categorize it. This here, Music to Sort, is this folder that I'm in, which has 7,941 songs I haven't organized yet. Here's my country folder, which literally has tons and tons and tons and tons of music in it, okay? Same as my pop and rap folder. This has pop, easy listening, R&B, rap, gangster rap, blah, blah, blah. And then I have my rock and metal folder. As you can see, that everything's categorized by artist name. So, let's see. Well, Billy Idol is rock. So let's go find if I've got a Billy Idol folder. And I don't, so I'm going to make one. New folder, Billy Idol. Bam. So I open Billy Idol up. I'm going to drag this over here. I keep everything named artist, first name, then last name, dash, track name. And so on and so forth. Black Sabbath. Do I have a Black Sabbath folder in the rock folder? Here, let's see. Let's look. And I don't. So I want to make one. So I simply drag that Black Sabbath track over here. Now, what do we have here? We've got, let's see if I can find a good example here. Okay, Eric Clapton. Let's go to see if I've got an Eric Clapton folder. And I don't, so let's go make one. Eric Clapton. Bam. So I'm going to drag all of Eric Clapton stuff over there. And these are not named the way that I recommend naming them. Name them correctly. Eric Clapton. Now, so I don't have to type this 12 times. I'm going to copy that. Bam. And do the same thing to all of these. There's one too many spaces there. So let's do that. Just like so. Until I get them all renamed correctly. If these were karaoke files, I would have the last name first, but these are just regular standard MP3 files that I ripped from my CD library so that I can play these in bars and clubs. And yes, excuse me, I am bound by BMI's terms, which means that I have to pay BMI in order to play these in shows. So I'm a member of BMI, and I keep everything legal that way. That's how you correctly organize a song. And you do this for a reason. Let's say you know you want to hear Tears in Heaven, uh, but you don't remember who sings it, and you're searching for it through your DJ software. It's, golly, Tears in Heaven. Who sings that song? Well, you can type in Tears in Heaven, and since Tears in Heaven also has Eric Clapton in the song title, then you'll be able to find out who sings the song as well and import it into your player or whatever deck you're using. And as you can see, I have a long way to go to get this music categorized properly. If you'd watched the last video, you were watching me sort my karaoke music. Now, just to give you, an idea of how I label everything, you see this Lone Star track. Well, no, that's not a good idea. Let's use Michael Montgomery, a three-name track. Now look, it says Michael Montgomery, comma, John, and then the song title is I Swear. This is for being able to search for this song through your software. I use CompuHost, so all I have to type in is I know it's John Michael Montgomery, or I know the song title. Let's say I'm looking for a John Michael Montgomery song. I type in John Montgomery, and everything I've got with John Michael Montgomery in it throughout this entire karaoke database here will pop up. Then I simply select the song. The most reliable songs, the ones that the patrons like the most, are going to be your sound choice songs, which are all in this folder and all named accordingly. Last name first, first name last, dash the title of the track. This is Jiggy Bit It. Okay. So basically that's how that happens. So there you go. Every song is in the its own artist's folder and correctly named. So that's how I organize it. It works great for just trying to find a song on your computer when you want to listen to something and create a playlist yourself. If you run a professional DJ show, you can create a master playlist file and include everything in it. Or just if you just want to make a dance music playlist, then you just pick your dance music. If you want to make a rock playlist, country playlist, hip-hop playlist, that's how you do that. So now we have learned how to properly categorize our music folders so that you can actually find a song. I mean, look at this mess. You couldn't find anything in here, especially when they're all named incorrectly, if you wanted to. So having them in their own folder makes it a lot easier to find a song you're looking for. Okay? So that's how we make that happen. I appreciate you watching. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. And if you have a request for a future video, let me know about that too in the comments. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.